on a doubt. If you talk to Troy Flurry there, he'll go on and on about that. KFS does provide the augmented capabilities needed by both functional users and executive management. And different configurations can be tested in the PLC. So, you don't just have to transition the data one time. We work with you and can rebuild it, massage it, tweak it a little bit. With the scripts we write can be a little bit change here or there to try a little different way and see how you can make that transition. You don't necessarily, I don't want to imply that you just bring over the same data exactly every time that you had it in your legacy system. There are places you want to improve, things you want to change. We can work with you and help you get that transition to work for you. But at the same time, give you data that is meaningful and understandable to you so you better understand where you're moving to versus just trying to conceptualize it without data that's meaningful. The CSU moving forward with implementation of KFS using our smart tools developed during the PLC. So every script we wrote, every table we helped populate became part of what helped them get to their production data set up today that they're going live with. I think it's now I'm passing it back.
Yeah, thanks, Chuck. I'll take over from here.
Okay, Mike.
See if I've got control of the slides. Okay, perfect. So the question comes up, why pick RSmart as a partner as you're moving towards KFS? And I think the overall arching answer to that question is, in fact, RSmart has experience in available out there around quality. Are the only partner experience going through actual implementation of KFS, helping evaluating and planning. Hey, can you guys hear me okay?
Not too good.
Okay, I apologize for that.
Now you're okay, Mike.
So I'll try and speak up. I apologize if the audio isn't perfect. So we have this experience going through implementations, working closely with institutions, as demonstrated by the Colorado State example of going through the evaluation and the fit analysis portion. We're involved in the community. We engage in the actual development of KFS. So all of these activities really culminate into solid experience that we can bring to bear for clients as they progress through the various stages of adoption of KFS. One of the most important aspects of this experience is our people, and I'm just going to run through a handful of profiles of some of our key team members. There's a broader team that works alongside this group of people, but just want to point out Dave Lyons, who's on the phone. He has a tremendous amount of experience working on implementations, on chart of account analyses, fit gap analyses. So he's worked with San Joaquin Delta Community College, Strathmore University, is running KFS today. He did quite a bit of work in 2006 and 2007 in helping them get live on the system. Boston University, Naval Postgraduate School, and Dave has also played a role on the KFS project board and also the KFS Functional Council. The next person I'd like to highlight here is Chuck. So Chuck has significant experience working with San Joaquin Delta Community College on their implementation this year. He's been intimately involved, as demonstrated from our presentation here with Colorado State. Has worked with UC Irvine, developing an implementation guide and doing some consulting there around the chart of accounts. University of Hawaii, and he also participates with the community in this role as part of the KFS installation functional special interest group. Keiko Takahashi is a member of our Kuali team, and she has a tremendous amount of experience with the Kuali Financial System. She participated in the early development of a lot of the documentation around Kuali, so several years ago before getting intimately involved in many of these projects. So she was the core project manager for the Strathmore University implementation of KFS Release 1 and provides ongoing support for some of the activities there at Strathmore. She's involved in the project at San Joaquin Delta Community College, University of Hawaii, working on their proof of concept activity there and doing some analysis of their chart of accounts. She's been involved at Colorado State and also is playing a critical role in our projects at University of Arizona. And then finally, I want to highlight Tony Potts, who is a senior quality consultant, also RSmart's chief technology officer. He is intimately involved in the development work of KFS, has helped port code from the older architecture to the new architecture, has helped with a number of activities as part of playing a role as a member of the Quality Technical Council. He worked on a project with San Joaquin Delta Community College where he developed a time and attendance application for using Kuali workflow for them to replace an older legacy system that had reached. So as you can see, going through the profiles, right number rich experience.
Mike, we're losing you.
Have a great team. The point of going through the profiles here is to just highlight what a great team we have, the breadth of experience. Can you hear me okay?
Just now.
I think I have a little microphone issue going on here, but to highlight the services that RSmart can offer, we provide professional services in the form of implementation services, helping you configure and customize the KFS application, working with integration. We'll provide training for the quality applications as well as various analyses and consulting work, and we can host the application on behalf of institutions who choose not to have that in-house. We also provide ongoing support and maintenance for so post-implementation, as you're running KFS in production, we provide ongoing support and maintenance for that, and that includes fixing bugs and issues as they come up. You can escalate those issues to us, and we'll our engineers here will resolve those issues and issue you a fix. We provide professional documentation around KFS and also can do some custom development work on your behalf. So one of the biggest inhibitors to adopting open source is this idea that there is no support for open source software. And that's really what the core of RSmart's value proposition is that we build on top of the foundation that the community is building, the foundation of innovation, source code, and the community practices and activities. We build on top of that, we provide this layer of professional support. It comes in the form of professionally packaged distributions of the open source software that we support, troubleshooting assistance, as I mentioned earlier, 24/7 support's available. We issue hot fixes and service packs and package the software that we support with professional documentation and a growing knowledge base that you can access at your convenience. We also provide legal assurances for the software that we support and provide ongoing community influence on your behalf in these communities. So you